Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Subhanaka la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana innaka antal alimul hakim. Today we are going to give a guide on how you are going to join the Google Classroom. Right? So this is my account. Log into your Google account. So I already logged into to the Google Classroom. Paano nga pala pumunta sa Google Classroom? Nakikita nyo may itong domino sign. So you click this domino sign and scroll down and then pakiclick na lang yung Google Classroom. So assuming nasa Google Classroom ka na, you already have this Google Classroom. Now, meron tayong makikitang dalawa dito. Meron tayong create class at join class. For students, join class lang yung kailangan mong pindutin. So hanapin nyo po yung code na binibigay ng instructor nyo. So for me, I already sent the code into the class. So titingnan ko muna sa aking messenger. Alright. So just alright. So yan, meron tayo ditong code. So copyhin lang natin yung code. Copy the code and go back to the classroom. At yan na ang Google Classroom. Ito is the Google Classroom. Just click the join class. Yan. Tapos pakilagay yung code na kinabi natin. And then just click join. Yan. And automatically you are now in a Google Classroom of your students. So meron kang, of your instructor. So nakikita natin dito, merong short quiz. Ayan, short quiz is andyan yung quiz. Okay, pwede ka nang mag-exam ng mga quizzes. And then, meron dito yung mga class record. Pwede mo makita yung mga class record ng yung instructor. Yan na. Kaya yan, meron ko class record. So, yan. View only. Hindi ka pwedeng view only yan. Then, ano pa, makikita mo yung mga materials. Yung mga materials na babasahin for the fundamental of signal. So, ganun lang po sa pag-join ng Google Classroom. Again, pindot-pindot lang ng okay. So, you have the Google Classroom. And so, pwede kang mag-unenroll pag hindi ka doon. Okay. Again, paano? I-click lang yung join, then paste the code, and then click the join, tapos makakapasok ka na sa Google Classroom. So that is all for the lecture for how to join the Google Classroom. Ganun lang po.